Hey friends, if the Windows Photos app is slow to load or open or is not working, then please watch this video. So a lot of users have, a lot of websites and channels have referred to SFC scan as a solution. See, earlier Windows app was a part of Windows, but now it is a separate app by Microsoft, which is downloadable from the Microsoft Store. You can uninstall it, you can reinstall it, you can repair it, you can reset it. You have a lot of options. So let us go for them. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and select installed apps in the right pane. Okay, now bring this slider down to the Photos app. This list is in alphabetical order, which makes it easier to find. Click on the three dots associated with it, select advanced options, scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair, click on reset, and then click on reset once again. If this helps, well and good. If not, then uninstall and uninstall once again. Now this will need a few seconds or maybe up to a minute to uninstall it. After that, open the Microsoft Store and search for the word Photos, okay, and hit enter. You'll find the Microsoft Photos app here. Click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can click on the install button here. So it hasn't uninstalled from my system yet, but once it does, I will be able to install it from the Microsoft Store itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.